Interested in studying a Master's in Music Production? Here's everything you need to know about the MA Music Production course at dBs Institute. During this Master's degree, you will develop advanced music production skills and prepare for a professional career in the audio industry, combining technical expertise, creative development, and industry-focused learning to help you succeed as a music producer. You will learn how to enhance your music production skills, carefully refining your approaches to become more productive and gain a highly sophisticated understanding of the mixing and mastering process. You will have opportunities to explore new or established areas of your creative practice, pushing boundaries and achieving innovative results. You will also focus on your development as a professional music producer, focusing on exploiting opportunities and planning your career, leading on to a large-scale creative project in which you will choose a specialist focus. Let's take a look at some of the key modules on this course. Music production. This module will challenge you to apply self-reflective strategies to examine your approach to producing and engineering music. You'll cover advanced concepts and professional strategies that enhance workflow and increase output, ensuring that you can respond to the varied and ever-increasing demands of producing music to a commercial standard. Steer the module in a direction that suits you by focusing on your own music as an artist, or producing music for clients or production companies. Mixing and mastering. Explore the concepts and processes surrounding the art of mixing and mastering. This module can be used to enhance the quality of your own music or to prepare you for a role as a professional mixing and mastering engineer by working on music and audio recorded by others. You will discover advanced technical processes as well as the conceptual and professional considerations essential to understanding the intricacies of finalizing and preparing audio material for distribution and commercial consumption. Professional development. In this module, you focus on a specific area of your specialist practice that will support your career as a professional music producer. Develop a deep understanding of the factors involved in setting up your own professional enterprise, or create a skill development plan that can elevate your confidence, ensuring longevity, growth, and success in your endeavors. With these skills, you will become a master of running your own career, capable of capitalizing on emerging industry opportunities and different income streams. You'll also develop valuable postgraduate research skills, preparing you for your project realization module. Let's hear from some of our students about their experience on this course.
What drew me to the course is that it's a mixture of academics and industry focus, and I think both the modules so far have done a really good job of actually learning what a professional producer does.
It's really pushed my boundaries and pushed my awareness of what you can do with sound and manipulation of sound. Definitely thinking outside the box, stuff that I wouldn't have come up with myself.
Yeah, I'm utilising the Master's degree as an opportunity to become a personal tutor and get into teaching, so I'm really using the course to expand my skill set and gain the confidence to cover all the ground knowledge of music production in a way that I can feel a lot of integrity.
Everyone feels like they're actually involved in the industry and they're doing creative and interesting stuff, and we get to learn. We can kind of focus on what we want, but at the same time we're learning a lot of stuff. So I'm focusing on AI, but anyone can do what they want. So that's what I enjoy about it, yeah.
At first it was quite daunting. I've been out of this education system for like 10 years. So it was like, what's going on here? I knew new people, new environment. But that was in itself very good to push myself out of my comfort zone, do something new, and instantly could tell that especially the lecturers and the facilities were of a very high caliber. And that in itself is very inspiring to be attentive and just continue to grow in an environment that feeds growth.
And now let's take a look at some of the great projects our students have worked on during their master's degree and how dBs helped them to realise their vision.
I am Oriol Freixa. For the last 11 years I had a studio in St. Paul's. I've been recording and mixing and producing a lot of music since then. Because I was thinking to do something related to what I've already been doing for a long time, more like reggae and dancehall stuff. But then it just came to my mind that actually, where I'm from in Barcelona, there is a music that was created there and is like original from there. that I had never been super interested into it, but I thought, what about approaching this project like going back to the culture of my hometown and blending it with samples, with dancehall, and The project I've been working on for my final project in the Masters was mixing this Catalan rumba with dancehall.
My name is Mark Mushinsky. I go by Flower Grills, that's my artist name. I'm studying the MA in electronic music production, and I would say I'm an electronic music producer who's also a portfolio artist. I think it's very well suited for me because I'm project focused instead of time focused. When I schedule out my weeks, I don't really do it on a timely basis, I do it on a project basis. I'm very focused on deadlines and visions of a project, so I think a portfolio career really helps me with that. You don't want this. One of the tracks I've worked on recently is You Don't Want This. It's a double single EP, and I've got Liv Charlie on it, who did the vocals, and I've also played the keyboard on it, and there's violin. So I've tried to sort of mix a lot of different skills together, be that my instrumental skills and also technical skills like the cutting edge of AI and sort of a bit of UK garage. So mixing all of that together. The vision behind it was, as the title is, you don't want this, that no one wants this, and that's something that I think artists struggle with. We often think, oh, we shouldn't release this because we have like self-doubt. And it might be healthy to an extent because it pushes us to increase our talents and skills and stuff, but it, like, at a certain point it's also stopping us from sharing our stuff with the world. The other theme was AI, so that's the technical theme that I used SignPlan to and explored how I can make the best sort of AI synth sounds I can, and then yeah, the last bit is the music video that I tried to go into the visual realm for the first time, and I used Max for Live to make some of the visuals that directly responded to certain tracks.
Want to take your skills and experience to the next level? Learn more about MA Music Production in the description link.